Hi, my name's Alex from Sony Ericsson, and today I'm going to show you the new HD video recording feature on the Sony Ericsson Vivaz handset. To get started using the HD recorder on the Sony Ericsson Vivaz handset, simply press and hold the dedicated video key, and this will then load up the screen. On the display you'll see a few icons. Starting from the top left hand corner, we have the ability to turn night mode on and off. This will do its best to pull in as much light as possible onto the lens and give you a much better shot. The next option is to turn your microphone on and off. And then the center icon is your focus type. It can either be autofocus or infinite focus. The next icon down is your exposure levels. To change this, grab the little ball and drag it up and down the display, and you'll see that the balance on the screen changes to suit. The very bottom icon in the bottom left hand corner of the screen is the auto icon. This gets rid of every other choice and lets the camera do all the work in choosing the best light or the best changes to the display to suit the video. To turn this off, press the auto button again and you get all the options back. Up in the top right hand corner we have the return key. This will take you out of the video camera and straight back into the main menu. In the centre we have the playback key. This gives you the option to view any other videos that you've already recorded. And then in the bottom corner we've got the other settings key. This goes into a little bit more detail, so you can turn the self timer on and off. You can also change the video format. So in here you can see that it's set to 720p high resolution or high definition recording. You've then got VGA, QVGA, and then for picture message, which is obviously a much smaller file. Select the size you want and that'll take you back to this screen. On there you can also change the light on and off, or change the white balance, and then grab the ball and drag it down. You'll notice at the very bottom you have the option to change or add any effects to the video as well. Come back out of that and it'll take you back to the normal screen. And from here I'll make a quick recording to give you an example of how the HD feature works and also the central autofocus feature. For this quick clip I've got an object in the foreground and an object in the background. To get started, you'll notice that the focus sets straight away. Press the record key and you'll hear a beep. It'll then refocus and start the recording. If I move the camera up to the laptop, it'll then focus on that and then take it back, and you'll see the focus change again. When you're finished, you can either press the stop key, pause the clip, or press the video key one more time, and that'll then stop the clip. Once it's done this, you have four options. You can either play back the clip to review it, and then refocus and start the recording. Move the camera up to the laptop, it'll then focus on that, and then take it back. You then have the option to come out of that screen and go back to the video recorder to record more clips. Delete the clip, or at the very bottom you can send it via MMS, via Bluetooth, send it directly to the web, for example to Facebook, or in fact if it's a photograph you can then set it up to order prints. Cancel to come back out of that screen, then the return key will take you straight back out and onto the camera again, and then from here press the return key again and it will take you straight back to the home page. When you record using the new Sony Ericsson Vivaz handset, it will record in 720p. The screen on the handset though isn't an HD screen, so to view back this quality you either have to upload to an HD ready TV or onto a laptop, or upload directly onto YouTube. An example of this is if you buy a Sony HD Handycam and make a recording. When you view it back on the viewfinder on the device, it's not to the same quality as it would be when viewed through an HD TV or indeed uploaded. Thanks very much for watching this clip, and look out for some more online.